Hey y'all, Patrick Carpenter here from Beyond the Woods. I want to jump on here and just do a quick little video. Today I received a package that I am really excited about and I want to open it up with y'all. So what we have here is from Sametop. It's the Jaws Flex Clamp. So we're going to open it up and take a gander at it. Locked up kind of like Alcatraz. Alright, so what's in the box is this right here, and it comes with a little instruction manual, I'm guessing. So shows you the features, and check them out on Facebook. The Facebook is at Sametop. I guess that's how you say it. So that's pretty neat. I like that. That's gonna pretty heavy duty clamp right there. And then you got that's for your GoPro, that side is, I'm pretty sure. That's pretty neat. I like how it's like all, it's not your typical flex. It's ball and sockets. So I really don't know if I'm gonna like that or not for hunting, but I think it'll work. We're gonna find out. We're gonna try this turkey season and try to get a little back action. Should be able to clamp that and that stay on the butt of the gun. But we're gonna see if this will work for turkey season. And we're gonna do a video here in the next few days talking about it, showing it in action. So it's Patrick Carpenter with Beyond the Woods. I'm signing off.